Hi everyone, fast video. I forget to record from the beginning, but anyway, I changed already the fuel pump, high pressure fuel pump. This Audi A6, okay, 6 cylinder, 3 liters. This one, I will show you. This is the old one, okay. So how I change it? You remove this screw, this here and this here for the intake, and you remove this one also from here, and there is here one screw also you will remove. You'll take it out. You need to remove the attentioner, remove the belt, and after that there is here one nuts also you remove. You will take this out. I'm gonna put it this one here also again back, and that's it. In this, after this here, there is three screw, and there is one screw here inside where the tissue, and one screw here inside in another place. So thank you for watching. Ciao.